adapt to changing conditions, and even predict maintenance needs before a breakdown happens. This means less downtime, higher productivity, and better quality, all while saving money. A prime example of this technology in action is the Jinan-based Shandong Weide Machinery Co., one of China's leading CNC manufacturers. Their 5-axis CNC machines can produce complex components for aerospace, automotive, and of course, construction projects. Imagine building the curved steel beams for a modern skyscraper without these machines. Spoiler alert, you cannot. Even so, CNC technology is not just about high-profile projects. It is also a cornerstone of China's modular construction boom. Remember those prefabricated buildings that go up in weeks instead of years? CNC machines are behind the perfectly cut and measured components that make that possible. Every panel, joint and beam fits together like a puzzle because these machines do not leave room for error. Of course, no innovation is without its challenges. Critics argue that CNC machines are expensive to purchase and maintain, making them inaccessible for smaller manufacturers. There is also the issue of skilled labor operating these machines, which is not as simple as pushing a button. It requires training, expertise, and a deep understanding of engineering principles. Yet, China has turned these challenges into opportunities. By investing heavily in vocational training programs, the country is creating a workforce that is as skilled as the machines they operate. CNC machines also play a critical role in sustainability. By optimizing material usage and reducing waste, they align perfectly with China's push for greener construction practices. For example, CNC-enabled recycling programs can repurpose leftover materials into new products, minimizing environmental impact without sacrificing quality. At the end of the day, advanced CNC machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing and the secret sauce behind China's rapid development. They represent a blend of precision, innovation, and efficiency that is unparalleled in the world. As China continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, these machines will remain at the heart of the action, quietly shaping the future, one perfect cut at a time. Electrical construction machines, the greening industrial. In the relentless quest for progress, one thing is clear: China builds bigger and faster in a responsible manner. Enter electrical construction machines, the unsung heroes powering the nation's green revolution. With climate change breathing down humanity's neck, China's embrace of electrified machinery is a transformation, blending innovation with sustainability in ways that could make Mother Earth proud. Let us kick things off with electric excavators. These machines look like their diesel-guzzling cousins, but come with one crucial difference. They run on electricity, not fossil fuels. Companies like SANY and XCMG have been rolling out fleets of battery-powered excavators that can dig, lift, and load without emitting a single puff of exhaust. These machines are quieter and cleaner, and, as a bonus, they save money on fuel. Imagine a construction site where you do not need earplugs and the air does not reek of diesel. That is the future electric machines are carving out, one scoop at a time. Even so, the green transformation doesn't stop there. Electric loaders are also making waves. These multitaskers are critical for transporting materials on job sites, and their electric versions are setting a new standard for efficiency. By eliminating the need for fuel, these machines cut both costs and carbon emissions, aligning perfectly with China's ambitious carbon neutrality goals. In fact, by 2060, the country aims to reach net zero emissions, a target that electric construction equipment is helping to make a reality. Then, there are hybrid machines, the perfect marriage between electric and traditional systems. Take the hybrid cranes developed by XCMG, for example. These machines combine electric motors with diesel engines, ensuring power and efficiency while slashing fuel consumption. This dual approach is ideal for massive projects where fully electric machinery might struggle with energy demands. We cannot forget how these machines are paving the way for greener urban landscapes, quite literally. China's massive infrastructure projects often face harsh environments, such as high altitudes, extreme temperatures, or remote locations. That is where solar-powered charging stations come in. These stations support electric machines in off-grid areas, ensuring they can operate even in the most challenging conditions. It is a clever solution that combines clean energy with practicality, showcasing China's ability to turn obstacles into opportunities. Now, Let us talk about something that often goes unnoticed: life cycle sustainability. Electric construction machines are not only cleaner to operate, but also easier to recycle. Battery technologies like lithium-ion can be repurposed for other uses, reducing waste and conserving resources. This cradle-to-grave approach ensures that these machines leave a minimal footprint, both during and after their operational lives. Critics often argue that the high upfront costs of electric machines are a barrier to widespread adoption. And yes, while these machines are pricier than their diesel counterparts, the long-term savings are undeniable. Lower operational costs, reduced maintenance, and government incentives for green technology are making the switch to electricity an increasingly smart investment. Add in the fact that China leads the world in battery production, and you have a recipe for rapid adoption. One shining example of this technology in action is the Beijing Winter Olympics of 2022. The construction of venues and infrastructure relied heavily on electric and hybrid machinery, showcasing their capabilities on a global stage. The result? A stunning array of facilities is built with minimal environmental impact, proving that sustainability and ambition can go hand in hand. As China accelerates its transition to a greener future, electric construction machines are at the forefront of this industrial evolution. These are symbols of a shift in priorities, proof that progress does not have to come at the expense of the planet. By combining cutting-edge technology with environmental responsibility, these machines are setting a new standard for how the world is built. And just when you thought construction couldn't get any smarter, AI takes it to a whole new level. Intelligent machines, AI construction. Artificial intelligence is storming construction sites, hard hats and all. In China, AI-driven machines are turning traditional construction into a high-tech symphony of efficiency, precision, and speed. These intelligent machines are the masterminds behind some of the most ambitious building projects in the world. Get ready, because this is where the future of construction gets seriously exciting. Imagine a construction site buzzing with autonomous machines, all working in perfect harmony. That is not sci-fi, it is a reality in China. From AI-powered bulldozers to self-driving trucks, these machines are taking over tasks that were once labor-intensive and prone to human error. Autonomous bulldozers, for instance, can grade land with pinpoint accuracy, guided by advanced sensors and GPS technology. Meanwhile, AI-powered cranes ensure materials are lifted and placed with millimeter precision, cutting down on wasted time and resources. The result? Projects that are completed faster, safer, and with far fewer headaches. Then, there is the rise of robotic bricklayers. These machines can lay thousands of bricks in a single day, an achievement that would take human workers weeks to achieve. Using AI algorithms, these robots map out precise patterns and adjust on the fly for inconsistencies, ensuring every brick is laid perfectly. Companies like Country Garden are already deploying these robots on large-scale housing projects, and the results are staggering. Think skyscrapers rising in record time, all thanks to these tireless bricklaying machines. However, AI's role in construction goes far beyond just automating tasks. It is about revolutionizing decision-making. Enter AI-based project management software, the ultimate brain behind the brawn. These systems analyze massive amounts of data, from weather forecasts to material availability, to optimize every aspect of a construction project. Need to predict delays before they happen? Done. Want to ensure materials arrive at the exact moment they're needed? No problem. This level of precision allows project managers to make smarter decisions, saving both time and money. Safety is a perennial concern on construction sites. AI-powered surveillance systems are transforming how safety is managed. Cameras equipped with facial recognition and behavior analysis software can detect potential hazards in real time, like a worker not wearing a helmet or entering a restricted area. These systems alert supervisors instantly, preventing accidents before they occur. It is like having a safety officer who never takes a coffee break. AI is even stepping into the design phase with generative design tools that push the boundaries of what's architecturally possible. Using AI algorithms, designers can input parameters like budget, materials, and structural requirements, and the system generates thousands of design options in minutes. These tools are behind some of the most innovative buildings in China, blending form and function in ways that traditional methods simply cannot match. Critics often argue that AI in construction might replace human workers, but the reality is far more complex. These machines are not here to take jobs, but to enhance them. By handling repetitive and dangerous tasks, AI allows human workers to focus on roles that require creativity and critical thinking. As the industry evolves, it is creating a demand for new skill sets, from AI programming to machine maintenance. China's embrace of intelligent machines is a cultural shift. By integrating AI into construction, the country is setting a global benchmark for what is possible when innovation meets ambition. From smarter project management to groundbreaking architectural designs, AI is proving that the future of construction is bright and intelligent. As impressive as AI-powered machines are above ground, the real engineering marvels might just be hiding beneath our feet. The Tunnel Kings, TBMs. When it comes to conquering the depths of the Earth, China's tunnel boring machines, TBMs, are in a